Alright, here we go. Algebra 1, 3, 5, arithmetic sequences as linear functions. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers like 6, 7, 8, 9. In this list of numbers, you have the first number, 6, second number is 7. That's called the term number. The first number, second number, third number, fourth number. And then the difference between each of these, notice that from 6 to 7 it only goes up 1. From 7 to 8 it goes up 1. That's called the common difference, often indicated with a D. If the difference between each of the terms is the same, it is called an arithmetic sequence. To find an equation for this, you could write an equation using the term numbers t, or sometimes called a of n. So this would be the first term, the second term. So a of n is equal to, and then we look at our terms. 1 plus 5 will give me 6, 2 plus 5. So I take the term number n and add 5. Here I have another sequence. Notice the common difference here is 4. If I was to write an equation for this, I would have a of n is 4 times n. 1 times 4. 2 times 4 gives me 8. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Notice the common difference here is 4. Common difference is 3. So my equation this time is going to be 3 times the term number, but notice that's not enough. If I do 3 times the term number, that only gets me to 3. So I have to add 4. I always check it with my second term. 4 times the common difference, 3, gets me to 6. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So that's correct. Now, what you'll see in your book is this formula right here. A of n equals a1, that's the first term, plus n minus 1 times d. This works. If we want to use this here, we can say a of n is equal to 7, that's the first term, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. The common difference here from 7 to 12 is 5, so times 5. Now to simplify this, do distributive property, then we have a of n is equal to 7 plus 5n minus 5, and then put like terms together, we have a of n is equal to 5n minus 2. Now I'm going to show you a super trick how to get to this step a lot faster without using this long and complicated formula. So, first step you do is find the common difference. Now once you have that common difference, that's what you're going to multiply the term number by. So the common difference times n. Now the next thing you have to figure out is, what do I have to do? What do I have to add to 5 to add to that common difference to get to the first term? Add 2 to this, and that gives you an equation of a of n is 2 more than 5 times the term number. So let's check that here. Try to write these. Pause the video and work it out yourself. Okay, so the common difference is 12. And remember, we take that difference times the term number. And then let's check to see, what do I have to do to 12 to get to the first number? From 12 to 4, I actually have to subtract this time. So minus 8. So a of n is equal to 12n minus 8. In the second example, it says find the 10th term. So let's set up the equation first. Our common difference here is 2. 2n, what do I have to do to 2 to get to 7? I have to add 5, and then I want to now find the 10th term. So that is a of 10 is equal to 2 times 10 plus 5. So a of 10 is 20 plus 5. And that gives me, for the 10th term, 25. It's that easy, ladies and gentlemen. And remember to like and subscribe to the Mastermind channel. It will make your day and mine.